So today we're going to learn how to make pretzels. Okay, so here we have the all-purpose flour, the bread flour, we have the oil, vegetable oil, the sugar, the yeast, salt, warm water, and our mixing bowl. Make sure the water is warm, it's very important because it'll activate the yeast. Okay, go ahead and grab the yeast, pour it into our warm water, and go ahead and give that a stir. And then we're just gonna put that on the side and leave it for about 5 minutes. And then we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. Go ahead and pour the flour onto the mixing bowl, then the bread flour, your salt, and the sugar. Give it a mix. 5 minutes after our yeast is ready, then go ahead and just pour the oil in there, then mix. Proofing time. Alright, you'll need an olive oil, saran wrap, and your mixing bowl. Go ahead and pour some in there and spread all around the bowl.